Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Homescapes. If you want to sign in or log into your Homescapes account and save your progress within the game, then here's how you can do it. Start off by launching open Homescapes application on your preferred device. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on the settings or the gear button at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up menu, tap on Save Progress. You'll be able to see options that can help you sign in with one of these social media accounts. You can go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID if you're using an iOS device. You can also sign in with Google account or with your Facebook account. If you've got any of these accounts with you, there should be no problem signing in to save your progress on Homescapes. To sign in using your Apple ID, tap on Sign in with Apple and then go ahead and enter your Apple account's credentials. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign in with your Apple ID. You can also use your Google account to be connected. Tap on Sign in with Google in order to do so, and then go ahead and follow through the on-screen prompts. Choose your Google account or enter a new Google account's credentials, and then you should be able to log in with your Google account. Similarly, you can also connect to Homescapes with Facebook. Simply select the Sign in with Facebook option from the pop-up and tap on Continue. It'll then ask you to open up Facebook application. Soon after you do that, you'll need to tap on Continue, or if prompted, you'll also need to type in your Facebook account's email and password to get signed in with Facebook on Homescapes. So that was how you can easily sign in or connect to one of the social media accounts on Homescapes within a few minutes. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.